Question 4 is about the relative abundance of the isotopes. The question is about Ga71. So we let its relative abundance be x, and the relative abundance of Ga69 will be 1 minus x. So the relative atomic mass will be the average of them. So 1 minus x times 69 plus x times 71 will equal 69.72. I understand that with our calculator is a little bit complicated, so just do it slowly. So this is 69 minus 69x plus 71x equals 69.72. So subtract these two. On the right hand side will be 0.72, and the left hand side 71x minus 69x, so it is 2x. So move to the right hand side, so x equals 0.36. So the relative abundance of it will be 36%. So the answer will be A. Thank you.